Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, as you all know that soon we are going to have your half yearly exams. So in this time the question paper you are getting is of 80 marks and 20 marks you are going to get on the basis of the assignment or the homeworks which you are sending us. So if there is any assignment which you have not sent it, just send it as soon as possible. Okay, and start preparing for your half yearly exams. So let's get started. So class 5th, today we are just continuing your previous chapter, chapter number 4 fraction, and we are doing your word problems based on fractions. Okay. So your first question is what must be added to 1 whole 2 by 5 to make it equals to 9 whole 3 by 5. It means you have to add a number to 1 whole 2 by 5 so that you will be getting an answer 9 whole 3 by 5. Now for these kind of question in which they will tell you, ask you that what must be added or what must be subtracted. First what you have to do, you have to write a statement that let the number be x. You have to consider that number as x. Okay. After writing the statement, you have to make an equation according to your question. So they have said that what must be added to 1 whole 2 by 5. It means you have to add a number to 1 whole 2 by 5 and what we have considered that number x. Clear? So that they will give you 9 whole 3 by 5. Clear? Now once you have made this equation, just convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7 by 5 plus x, this will be 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 3 48 by 5. Clear? Now what you will do, this side of equals to, the side of to the left of equals to is known as your left hand side and the side to the right of equals to is known as right hand side. RHS and LHS, left hand side and right hand side. Now what you have to do, here you have to find the value of x. So leave this x to the left hand side and take this number to the right hand side. Okay. So you have to take this 7 by 5 to the right hand side of equals to. Now what when you take this 7 by 5 to the right hand side, can you see any sign before this 7 by 5? No. So if there is no sign before a number, you always consider a plus over there. Okay. And when this plus 7 by 5 changes its side, it becomes minus. Okay. Whenever a number is changing its side from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side, the sign with the number changes. So here as the number is having plus sign, when this goes to the other side of equals to, it become minus. So you will write x is equals to 48 by 5 minus 7 by 5. Clear? Now as you can see they are like fractions, so you can simply subtract them. This is 5 and 48 minus 7 will be 41. Now you can leave your answer over here also or you can convert them into a mixed fraction. It's better to convert them in a mixed fraction. So your answer will be 5 8 is a 40. So this 8 whole 1 by 5 and this will be your answer. Clear? It means this 8 whole 1 by 5 is a number. When you added it with 1 whole 2 by 5, they will give you answer as 9 whole 3 by 5. Clear? Now your next word problem is Nobita ate 1/3 of Dora cake and Doraemon ate 1/4 of Dora cake. How much cake is left? So there is a cake out of which 1/3 is eaten by Nobita and 1/4 is eaten by Doraemon. You have to find that how much cake is left. Now for finding how much cake is left, first you have to find the total fraction of the cake that has been eaten by both Nobita and Doraemon. Okay. So for that what you will do, you will write the statement as cake eaten by Nobita is equals to 1 by 3. Cake eaten by Doraemon is equals to 1 by 4. Fraction of cake eaten by both the fraction of the cake which is eaten by both Doraemon and Nobita will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. When you add these two, then only you come to know the total fraction of the cake that has been eaten. So it will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now these are unlike fraction and we know how to solve the unlike fraction. First you have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is coming 12. Okay. Now you take the fraction 1 by 3 and convert it to an equivalent like fraction with denominator 12. So for converting them, I have to multiply this 3 by 4. If I am multiplying 3 by 4, then you have to multiply 1 by 4 only, and it will be coming 4 by 12. Similarly with this your 1 by 4, you have to multiply 4 by 3 so that you can get 12. If you are multiplying the denominator with 3, you have to multiply the numerator with 3. It comes your 3 by 12. Okay, now you have to add them, that is 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. And when you add them, it is coming 7 by 12. It means 7 by 12 is the fraction of the cake that has been eaten both by Nobita and Doraemon. Now what you have to find? You have to find that how much cake is left. So for finding that the fraction of the cake that is left, you will do 1 minus 7 by 12. This 7 by 12 is the cake which has been eaten. Now why from this 1? Because when we have started your chapter fraction, I told you that fraction is a part of whole. Okay, this is a part of whole. And what we consider whole? We consider whole as a 1. So 1 minus 7 by 12. Now you can see there is no number below 1. So we will consider a 1 over here. You have to take the LCM of 12 and 1. What your LCM will be going to come? It's going to come 12 only, and then you have to solve it same as I have solved this one. Okay, I have not solved it here. I have just directly written the 12 minus 7 upon 12. When you are going to solve it, you have got this line 12 minus 7 upon 12. You have to solve this part in your notebooks by yourself. Okay, and 12 minus 7 will be 5, and this 12 will be written as 12. It means 5 by 12 is the fraction of the cake that has been left after the cake eaten by Nobita and Doraemon. Okay. Now the next question is, Radhika walked 1 by 2 kilometer and jogged 7 by 8 kilometer. How far did she go in all? Okay. So the statements will be like, Radhika walked 1 by 2 kilometer and jogged 7 by 8 kilometer. So you have to find how far did she go in all. It means you have to find the total distance covered by Radhika. So you will write total distance covered by Radhika is equals to 1 by 2 plus 7 by 8. Clear? Now you have to add these two. We know how to add the unlike fractions, but now I'm going to tell you a shortcut method of solving it. So first what you do, you take the LCM of these two. So the LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8. Okay? Clear? Now what you have to do, write down the numerator of this first fraction. What is the numerator over here? It is 1. So write down 1. Then put a multiplication sign. Clear? Now you have to find in 2 table how many times 8 goes? 2 4s are 8. So you will write a 4 over here. Done with this fraction. First you have write the numerator. Then you have to put a multiplication sign over here. Then you have to find in 2 table how many times 8 goes. 2 4s are 8. So I have written a 4 over here. Clear? Now next we are having plus. So put a plus sign here. Now come to with this fraction. Same as we have done this in this one. You will write the numerator as it is. Okay, what is the numerator over here? 7. So I have written 7 as it is. Then multiply. Now in 8 table, 8 goes how many times? 1 time. So multiply it by 1. Clear? First, you take this fraction, write down the numerator as it is. Then put a multiplication sign and you have to go with the denominator. You have to find that in denominator what you are having 2. In 2 table, how many times 8 goes? It goes 4 times. So I have written 4 over here. Done with this fraction. Then what we are having? A plus sign. So I have written a plus over here. Now come to this fraction. In this fraction first write down the numerator over here. Then put a multiplication sign. Then you have to find with the denominator. Come to the denominator. You have to find. Then 8 goes in 8 table how many times? 1 time. So I have written 1 here. Okay. Now solve it according to BODMAS. First we have to do the multiplication. So 4 ones are 4 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. Upon 8. And 7 plus 4 will be 11 upon 8. Clear? And you can write it into a mixed fraction as 1 whole 3 by 8 kilometer. Okay, why in kilometer? Because they have given the fractions in kilometer only. So your answer will be in kilometer. So this is the shortcut method of solving the unlike fractions. You can solve it in this way also, or you can apply this previous method which we used to apply, in which we convert this fraction into an equal and like fraction with denominator 8. Okay, this is just a shortcut method. Okay. So try this method in your home, and till then take care, be safe and be at home.